Have you ever wondered kung ano nga po ba ang mas sulit bilhin? Isang kondo dito sa Metro Manila o house and lot sa probinsya? Alam ko po, it's a tough decision kasi pareho po silang may kanya-kanyang advantages. Pero let's talk about bakit ang pagbili ng kondo sa Metro Manila could be a better choice for you. Especially if you are just starting out and your work or school is here in the city. Imagine waking up in the heart of the city where everything you need is just a few steps away. Gusto mo ng coffee? Meron ka po agad na coffee shop sa baba ng building. Need to go to work? Malapit ka lang po sa mga business districts at hindi ka na mahihirapan sa traffic. Less time pagbiyahe araw-araw. Malapit sa malls, schools, hospitals, churches, etc. Mas maraming oras ka para sa sarili mo o sa pamilya mo. Napaka-convenient po, di ba? Sa condo po, you also get access to amazing amenities like swimming pools, gyms, playground at function rooms na maaaring wala po sa house and lot development sa probinsya. Hindi mo na po kailangan pang gumastos ng malaki para makapag-exercise or mag-relax. Plus, you get 24/7 security. May CCTV surveillance and controlled access kaya mas panatag po ang loob mo knowing na safe ka or ang family mo. Isa pa po, think about maintenance. In a condo po, hindi mo na po problemahin ang pagpumpuni at paglinis ng mga common areas kasi lahat po ng ito ay inaasikaso na ng property management. Mas madali at less hassle po para sa iyo. Ang mga condo din po ay designed para sa modern at compact living. Perfect po para sa young professionals, small families, students, expats, o yung mga gusto ng minimalist lifestyle. And when it comes to investment, properties in Metro Manila usually appreciate faster. Ibig pong sabihin, mas mataas ang potential for your property's value to increase over time. You can also rent it out easily if you decide to move somewhere else or if you just want extra income. Living in a condo also means being part of a vibrant community. Madali mo pong makikilala ang mga neighbors mo and it opens up opportunities for networking, which can be great for your personal and professional growth. Kaya kung naghahanap ka po ng modern, convenient at secure na lugar to live or invest in, consider buying a condo in Metro Manila. It's not just a place to stay, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So if you have any questions related to this topic, feel free to leave a comment or message me. I'm here to help you make the best decision for your future property. And follow for more condo investment learnings.